Practice makes one perfect. Keep doing something for 30 days and it will become a habit or it will become your reality for sure. I'm sure many people kept giving you such advices all your life. Hello and welcome back to my channel Thoughtfully Random. First of all, I'm so sorry for the delay in posting this video. Not many of you, but at least a few of you every day, literally every day, kept asking me, video kahan hai? And so here it is. Yes, as the title already suggests, the power of repeating. So today we are going to talk about how powerful repeating some actions could be and what transformation it can bring into our lives. I'll share one or two simple examples. First, I'll share an example of my own life, and then I'll share an observation that made me realize that repeating something is really powerful to make it a reality. Let us start with an example of my own life. While I was in 10th grade, I used to wake up every day around 4:30, 5 o'clock, sometimes at 4, for studying. Also early morning before my school hours, I used to go for the tuition classes. So 1 घंटा मैं 5:30 to 6:30 classes जाती थी. So उसके पहले मैं उठती थी. And it was back then when I started doing yoga. Right? I don't know why, but suddenly 10th standard में I was the best version of myself, to be honest. अभी तक मैं उतने अच्छे लेवल पे कभी नहीं गई हूँ, not just yoga wise, otherwise also as a human being in general. So I started doing yoga every morning before I went for my tuitions, and I think that was because मुझे मेरी नींद खोलनी थी कि हाँ भाई ट्यूशन के लिए मैं नींद में नहीं हूँ, मैं पूरी जाग रही हूँ. So I started working out and I started doing yoga at that time, and I then did meditation for around 5 minutes or something. I kept doing that for almost the entire year, literally. And many a times it did happen कि मैं योगा कर रही हूँ and I just fell asleep कोई आसन वासन में. And I still remember my sister used to make fun of me, and she once caught me sleeping while doing some asan, and she was like कि तू रोज सो ही जाती है, don't tell us you're doing yoga, but I used to do. And I'll tell you that thing kept on for quite a long time. मतलब literally 1 साल almost मैंने किया था वो, and it became a habit. It became such a powerful habit that even today, if I do not do yoga for 10 minutes or meditate or do some kind of physical exercise at home, I would feel so uneasy. अगर मैंने एक हफ्ता एक भी दिन कुछ भी नहीं किया, it will literally make me feel uncomfortable with myself. And I'm not kidding, this is so true. भले ही मैं 5 मिनट कुछ कर लूँ, 10 मिनट कुछ एक्सरसाइज कर लूँ, स्ट्रेचिंग कर लूँ, मेडिटेट कर लूँ 2-5 मिनट सोने से पहले, anything if I am able to do for half an hour, I feel great, of course. But even if not that long, just a few minutes would make me so happy and I would feel so comfortable. And when I thought about it, जब मैं बहुत दिन तक बीच में I was not well and I wasn't doing anything, and once I just thought कि what's wrong, like why am I feeling uneasy? And that time I realized that I'm not doing yoga. मुझे लिटरली ख्याल आते थे कि यार योगा करना है, कुछ एक्सरसाइज करना है, स्ट्रेचिंग करना है, मुझे उसके लिए बुरा लगता था. आई डिड नॉट फील बैड कि आई एम अनवेल या वो मैं कब ठीक होंगी या मेडिसिन वर्क कर रहे नहीं कर रहे. आई डिड नॉट फील बैड अबाउट इट. आई जस्ट फेल बैड देयर. आई एम नॉट एबल टू वेक अप. आई एम नॉट एबल टू डू दैट 10 minutes yoga or meditation or anything of that sort. And when I again started doing those 5 minutes, 10 minutes, trust me, I felt so happy, I felt comfortable. Even if I don't do it every day, but it is such a powerful thing. And why did it come? Because of repeating it. तब मेरे दिमाग में नहीं था कि मैं रोज लाइफ टाइम करूंगी ऐसा कुछ या उसके इतने बेनिफिट्स. ऑनेस्टली आई वॉजेंट अवेयर दैट हाउ पावरफुल योगा कैन बी, मेडिटेशन कैन बी, हेल्थ वाइज कितना हमारे लिए बेनिफिशियल है. आई डिडंट न्यू ऑल दैट at all, right? But it turned out to be such a powerful habit that I'm now not able to leave it even if I want. And this is a good thing, so let it be. बट द सेम थिंग कैन हैपन विद बैड एज वेल. अगर किसी बुरी चीज को हम बार बार कर रहे हैं, इफ आई एम हैविंग अ कोल्ड ड्रिंक एवरी डे, इट बिकम्स सो अडिक्टिव दैट आई वोंट again feel easy if I don't have it, right? So be very conscious if you're knowingly unknowingly doing something every day, right? अगर आप unknowingly भी कोई हैबिट, कोई चीज रोज कर रहे हो, whether it is saying something, whether it is doing something, किसी को तंग करना, किसी की मस्ती करना, it becomes so natural to you, then it becomes your behavior. Trust me. I'll give you another observation. Just ये observation तो मुझे बहुत recently हुआ है. Like I knew it but consciously, and it is because of this observation that I thought of making this video. वरना मेरा original plan किसी दूसरे video का था जो already आधा बन चुका था, and then suddenly I don't know something clicked and I thought नहीं ये वाला video बनाते हैं, and इसीलिए ये delay चला actually, and थोड़ा मेरा procrastination. So what I observed recently was, I'm sure all of you use Google. हम सब गूगल सर्च करते हैं, हम सब कुछ ना कुछ इंटरनेट पे, यूट्यूब पे, गूगल पे कहीं ना कहीं सर्च करते हैं, राइट? जस्ट ऑब्जर्व योर इंटरनेट एक्टिविटी, राइट? नाउ जब भी आप यूट्यूब ओपन करते हो, एज सून एज यू ओपन गूगल, इट विल शो यू what you normally search, right? I hope it's making some sense. It will show you what you normally keep searching. Just imagine, अगर मैं for example, if I every day, if I'm listening to a particular song, रोज मैं उस गाने को YouTube पे सुनती ही हूँ, then it will show me in the suggestions, it will show me that song every day अपने आप, right? It will start showing similar songs. If I'm listening to uh, rock music every day, for example, it will show me similar songs. फिर वो मुझे calm soothing songs नहीं दिखाएंगे ज़्यादा. It will show me such songs. If I'm watching stand-up comedy, it will show me suggestions of stand-up comedy only, mostly, right? So this is the power of repeating. Just imagine, अगर एक टेक्नोलॉजी को ये बात समझ में आती है, नॉन लिविंग थिंग को ये बात समझ में आती है कि ये बार बार हो रहा है, तो फिर वही चीज दिखाओ, then how powerful it would be for our habits, our actions, our surroundings, कि हम जो बार बार कर रहे हैं consciously unconsciously really becomes a reality. We need to be very conscious of it. The way we behave, we talk, we stand, and not just that this way. For example, again ये Google search, YouTube search, आप देखो, अगर आप सुबह, like early morning or in during the morning hours, if you are listening to some bhajan, then whenever you will open YouTube, it will show you those suggestions. भजन के suggestions आएंगे, या जो भी आप सुनते हो उसके suggestions आएंगे. Then evening time में, if you are watching stand-up comedy videos, तो जब भी आप इवनिंग टाइम पे वो साइट ओपन करोगे, यूट्यूब, गूगल, इट विल शो यू दैट ओनली. सो दे आर ऑल्सो अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि इस वक्त आप यही करते हो, इस वक्त आप यही करते हो, इस वक्त आप यही करते हो, राइट? इट इज सो ऑब्वियस. लाइक टेक्नोलॉजी इज अंडरस्टैंडिंग. सेम हैपन्स विथ अस. If you are constantly behaving in a certain way or saying a certain things to one person or around a single person or in a particular situation, it will keep happening. उसके बाद वो unconsciously होता है, right? उसके बाद वो unconsciously हो जाता है, right? So through this video, I just wanted to share and make everyone, whoever is watching, aware that repeating is very powerful. Be it our words, be it our actions, be it our observations, be it anything, be it our thoughts, right? Be conscious of what is happening every time, every day in a particular situation, and consciously choose your reactions, actions towards anything and everything and everyone, because it is going to become your personality, it is going to become a reality. Be conscious, be aware, right? I think I'll keep this one a very short video. I have more, maybe I may upload one more part for this, but for now I think this would be a short, simple video, and this is all I wanted to bring to the notice. If you have observed anything that has been कॉन्स्टेंटली रिपीटेड बाय यू और अराउंड यू, और वो ऐसे ही सच में कुछ रियलिटी बन गया हो या आपकी हैबिट बन गई हो, चाहे वो गुड हो बैड हो, please write and let me know in the comment section. I would really love to know if it is something that has become a habit because of repetition, या आपने कोई चीज़ ऐसे ही, जैसे मैंने इंटरनेट का एग्जांपल दिया, इन जनरल कोई भी चीज़ अगर आपने ऑब्जर्व की है कि ये रिपीट होती है और ये फिर अब रोज़ हो रही है अराउंड यू, सोसाइटी, इन योर फ्रेंड्स, इन योर फैमिली मेम्बर्स, इन योर सेल्फ, anywhere, if you have observed anything like this, प्लीज लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. कहीं भी आपको ये यूजफुल लगा हो, वीडियो रिलेटेबल लगा हो, then do like, share, subscribe to this video. I can see there are many like views बढ़ रहे हैं, but where are the subscriptions? Do subscribe, do like the video as well, right? And now I would yeah, I'll try to be very very punctual in uploading the video. Even if you have any such observations other than repeating, कोई भी observation हो, कोई भी चीज हो which you feel should be a topic, content topic, or anything that could be included, do let me know in the comment section, or you can even write an email to me. I will definitely read and reply to that. Till then, bye bye.